What's up, everyone? Welcome back to another episode. Thank you for joining me again on another vlog. Today, I definitely want to go ahead and share with you guys a very special install that's going to be going down on the G80. As you guys know, I do have the Daytona Violet G80 at the moment. I do have the AST springs in the front only, just because I was never ready to really do the rear, because I was waiting for the V3s to arrive. Given that this is the X drive, it actually took a little bit longer just for the developmental stages to be completed. But KW, as you guys know, they do have one of the best products in the market for any type of coilovers, hot systems, or springs. I actually went ahead and received this coilover set from IND, so a big shout out to Ryan once again. IND comes through again for me. I'll go ahead and put up their link on the description up here if you guys need any kind of parts for your BMW, Porsche, Lambo, whatever vehicle you guys have. You guys want the best products, you guys definitely want to reach out to IND. They will take care of you guys. Everything honestly from there is top of the line, so you guys can always expect a great service, great quality, and great products. Do me a huge favor and go ahead and hit the like button, smash the subscribe button if you're not subscribed yet, turn on your notifications, leave a comment down below, follow me on Instagram, follow IND on Instagram, follow their YouTube channel as well. They're actually working on the M2 right now. They just recently came out. Alright guys, once again, big shout out to IND. Thank you so much, Ryan, for honestly getting these out to me so quick. I spoke to Ryan yesterday, and what do you guys know? We got the KW coilovers the next day. So if that's not great customer service, I don't know what is. So if you guys are in the market for any parts, again, just reach out to them. You guys can see everything right here is brand new. Nothing was used. So we got nothing but brand new parts over here. And this is what I love about IND, that you guys get nothing but the best from them. So, before I actually start unboxing this, let me show you guys. Let's get a sneak peek of this. Wow. That thing is a beauty. You guys know we got our adjustment tool in here too as well. So we got our KW adjustment tool. You guys have to love the way KW packages their stuff. Check this out. This is so beautiful. Go ahead and take out the rear springs. Okay. So yes, let's see, we get further into the coilovers. These are the front coilovers, and these are the rear ones. We have the hardware in here. We have the perch for the rears. Got all the necessary hardware. In this box, you guys will find, if you guys ordered it with a cancellation EDC kit like I did, you guys will find this box in there. And this has all your EDC cancellation stuff. So let me go ahead and open this. But wow, take a look at it, guys. This thing is a beauty. So you guys know, G80, G82, G83. As you guys know, I run nothing but KWs. I run it in my M4. I run it in my F80. Now I am gonna be running this same kit on the G80. Guys, all this attention to detail. We got our cancellation kits over here. Wow, what a thing of beauty. As you guys know, we have our instructional manual. So again, if you guys have any questions, refer to this. So let me go ahead and set everything up over here, and I'll show you guys what everything looks like. All right, guys, so this is the complete set of the KWV3s. As you guys can see, this thing looks amazing. We have the two front struts, we have the rear struts, we have the springs, the perch. We have everything over here that we need to go ahead and make sure that we do a proper install. All right, so we have the front already assembled. As you guys can see, I already have it matched up to the right height. I already have the sensor. Just need to go ahead and assemble everything. So I'm just gonna go ahead and put the phone down. I'm gonna do the passenger side first, and then I'll do the driver's side. All right, guys, we have the front suspension already installed. This is the front driver's side. Everything's already been done up on this side. I just gotta go ahead and hook up the EDC cancellation kit. Both the front passenger and driver have been done. This thing looks amazing, you guys. This thing is a beautiful kit. I cannot stress how amazing it looks. So I went ahead and lowered the vehicle, and I also went ahead and installed these adapters that come with the KWV3. This comes with the EDC cancellation kit. You guys have to switch out the original ones. The original ones look like this. So you switch them out for the ones that they have, and then you're able to connect the EDC cancellation kit. All right, so just like that, I have the EDC cancellation kit right underneath this brace over here. We got the cancellation already connected on both sides. All right, guys, so the rear tire's off. I also went ahead and removed the suspension bolts. I'm just gonna go ahead and bring the jack over, release a little load from the spring, so I can go ahead and loosen up the bolt that's holding the strut. And then after that, I'll just loosen up the strut bolts. I'm gonna remove the fender liner along with the mud flap, just so that I can go ahead and connect my EDC delete properly. So yeah, let's continue. Again, both sides are already at this state, so I'm just gonna go ahead and pick it up once I have the fender liner off for you guys. All right, so just like that, I have both struts out. I already have the layout of how everything's gonna go. I already went ahead and removed the fastener that's holding the top hat for this part. So now I'm just gonna go ahead and transfer it over to the KW strut. Everything's already assembled. So I'm gonna go ahead and just get everything going. I'm gonna get my perches. I'm gonna set the right height. And then, as you guys know, this is the additional hardware that comes with it. I'm gonna go ahead and get the passenger side installed, and then I'll do the driver's side. This is how I'm gonna go ahead and set up this suspension for the passenger side. So the smaller spring will be at the bottom, and then the bigger spring will be at the top. So let me just go ahead and get this lined up. Boom. And then go ahead and line up something like that. So let me go ahead and get one started, and then I'll go ahead and show you guys once it's already installed. All right, guys, and just like that, everything else is already buttoned up. As you guys can see, everything looks really nice. Everything looks put back together really well. We got the cancellation kit up there. We got everything zip tied. I just gotta go ahead and trim this zip tie. I'm gonna put the fender liner back on, and then I'll put the wheels back on, put the car under load, and then I'll torque all the bolts for the strut and the for the wheel alignment. So yeah, let me go ahead and put the phone down and get this going. All right, so the back has already been adjusted. I love the way the back looks. I'm actually just readjusting the front right now. I just went ahead and dropped it a little bit more, and I also went ahead and put on my 15mm spacer that I had from my previous setup. I'm gonna go with the 15mm in the front and then 12 in the rear. Gonna go ahead and try to get this front to be a little bit more flush. So I'm hoping that everything is gonna be perfect, and I honestly can't wait to share with you with everyone the new fitment. So let me go ahead and put the wheels back on, and then for the final reveal of the way the car looks, I'm gonna go ahead and wait till tomorrow morning, and I will show you guys the way the car turned out. Alright, everyone, so it's the following day from the install of the coilovers, and honestly, I have to say, these KWV3s honestly do not disappoint. As you guys know, I had it on the M3 F80, I have it on the M4 F82, and now I have it on the G80, and it's the actual suspension I was actually waiting for. This is actually the coilover that is gonna work for my wheel setup, my ride comfort, everything. I mean, at this point, these V3s allow me to adjust the damper, the rebound, and a special thanks to Ryan at IND. Thank you so much for getting these out to me. And if you guys need any additional parts, go ahead and reach out to IND. Reach out to them. Check out that beautiful Type R, guys. Reach out to IND. They have all the quality products that you guys are looking for. Right now, I'm just gonna go ahead and get stuck in a little bit of traffic, but check out the Orchestra with the JQ Paddleworks, also available on IND. So again, guys, I highly recommend that you guys do your research. I'm gonna go ahead and give you guys a little soundtrack. Joining us as well. He's actually running a KW Haas kit. So again, whether it's the Haas kit or the KW V3s, honestly, I highly recommend KW. So like you guys can see, we're definitely just putting this suspension work through a nice test. Alright guys, so that's gonna go ahead and do it for today's install. I hope that you guys enjoyed the whole video. If you guys stayed through the whole video, thank you guys so much. And also a huge thanks to Ryan at IND. Big shout out to him and IND, the rest of the team. Thank you guys. If you guys are looking to modify your car, reach out to IND. They have all the right goodies that you guys are gonna want. Don't forget to like, subscribe to the channel, turn on your notifications, drop a comment down below. Follow me on Instagram. I will definitely be uploading more videos. We got plenty of content on the way. Not to mention, today is the official drop of the Daniel M Life store. You guys can go ahead and pick up a mug if you guys drink coffee or if you guys are drinking water like I am at this point. Or if it gets late at night and you guys need to get a little pullover, a hoodie, we have that in the store. There's also t-shirts. Right now, the first design that I have is of the M4. As you guys can tell, it's a really neat drawing of the M4. I think the background, everything really works, and we got my logo on there. So again, guys, go ahead and check out the store. That's the best way that you guys can go ahead and support my channel. Not only will you guys be supporting me, but you guys will also get awesome merch and also awesome souvenirs. So again, guys, check out the store. Thank you guys so much. I'll see you guys on the next episode. Bye.